watching this video. I'm starting this over again. It didn't record before, so let's see if it can do it now. 8-2, we started this yesterday. We're going to do the threes together, and we need to do a random number generator to collect our data. So that's why I have this over here off to the side. Okay? All right, guys, listen. Shh, we're back on. Italian food, Mexican food, American food, French, and ethnic. These are the percentages that they gave me. These are the, what kind? Which kind of probability are they?
Theoretical.
These are the theoretical probability. Theoretical. Okay? We're going to actually do the experiment and run the numbers again to see if we get the same results. Okay? I said I don't agree with their numbers that they chose here because I want to use less numbers. Riley said we can reduce by 5. All of these percentages off to the side over here reduce by 5. Okay? So if I cross them out, that's really brilliant. If I cross this out, 45 divided by 5 is 9. Listen. I will move you. Go sit. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Okay? So, I'm going to use the numbers 1 through 9. What about Mexican food? 10 through 15, 14, 14. Okay? 15 through 17. 15, 16, 17. 15 through 17. 18 and 19. And then 20 is going to be an ethnic food person. Okay? Now, we could have done this the other direction and said, because here's the deal. I want to do the least amount of work as possible, right? Which one's the biggest category?
So 20.
The 1 through 9. I'm going to save that one for last and just subtract, right? Okay, but here's the deal.
20 and then 18,
What I could do is I could make the ethnic food the number 1. I could make this a 2 and a 3. I could make this a 4, a 5, and a 6. I could make this 7 through, how many are there? 5. 7 through 11.
Where are you getting 11?
And then this 12 through 20. I could do it that way instead, right? Those are the same amount, but just going the other direction, right?
Where'd you get those numbers from?
What do you mean?
Like 11 and 12? 7, those have nothing to do with 5.
What?
Can I go to the bathroom?
What are you talking about?
Can I go to the
Okay,
bathroom?
so 7 counts as a number, then 8 counts as a
Or
number.
just
9
real quick, I'm
and
actually just
11.
Can I count it?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yeah, what are you trying to get
Go
out?
sit.
Oh, like 5 numbers?
Yeah.
Man.
Yeah.
So it's confusing
I got
because
it.
So
it's
I could
one
assign,
less
yep.
than-
So I could
I
assign
got
my
it.
numbers this way, or I could assign my numbers this way. Which way would you like to do it? It doesn't matter.
The other
Bottom
one.
one first.
One through 9, check that
The
one.
second way?
The purple way.
I'm just saying because it's easier when we do our random number generator to hunt for 1 than it is for 20. It's easier to hunt for 2s and 3s than it is 18s and 19s, right? Like this might be easier numbers to hunt for, okay? So let's assign them this direction and make it like a little bit easier on ourselves, right? Okay? All right, so I'm going to write these off to the side over here. We need 1s, we need 2s and 3s, 4s, 5s, and 6s, 7s, I'll just say 7 through 11. And these are going to be my others because we're just going to subtract to get that one. Okay? All right, I'm going to move them off to the side over here. And we're going to go down. And how many numbers we need? 1 through 20, 100 times. Duplicates, yes. Rerun. Here we go. Here's our numbers. Riley is going to count for us. Okay, we're going to help him count. Do you need a stick, Riley? You need a stick? Okay, what are we looking for first?
1.
The 1s. How many 1s are there?
A random number.
How many 1s are there? 1.
1.
Okay.
2. 2. It's right there. 2.
You missed
No,
one.
you missed one.
3.
You missed one.
4,
2, 3,
5, 6.
6.
I see 6. Okay, you're going to have to go in order, otherwise I'm going to fire you. 6. Okay, now we're looking for 2s and 3s, so go row by row.
That's what I'm
1.
Oh man, he's going to get
Oh
fired.
my gosh.
1.
1.
2.
2.
3.
4, 5.
4.
4,
5,
6,
7.
8. 9. 10,
10,
11.
This is like a 3rd grade class.
12.
12.
13.
13. All right. Woo! 13. 14. All right, now, we got three numbers. Three numbers, 4, 5s, and 6s. Can you do it?
Yes.
1.
Why are we screaming?
2. Just joking. 2.
2.
Kids that we
Three.
3.
Wait. 4, 5s, and 6s. This is 2, right?
Yeah.
2, okay?
3.
4,
4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
12.
12. 12 of them. 12 American food.
Ooh, that's bad.
Mexican, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You're going to have to go slow. 7 through 11 is Mexican food. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Wait, what?
Wait, we don't count
6.
12.
What? Oh, not 12. Okay, all right. Start over. Sorry, my fault.
3 at 10.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
4.
4 is 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
16,
16,
17,
17, 18, 19, 20 is the 11. This 11 is 20. 20 is here.
21,
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30,
30 at 11. 31. No, that's 31.
This is 30.
31. 30, we have a 10, 11.
This is 32.
Where are you guys
Yes.
getting all these
32.
numbers?
Okay.
32.
All right, 32.
Not from you, that's for sure.
Woo, heavens. 32. All right, now add these up and then we subtract so we don't have to count the bigger ones. Woo! No, let's not do that. That is 3, carry the 1, 63. That's exactly what we had this morning. 63. 37. 37 in the last category. All right, so because we did out of 100%, we can just convert those to percentages. So 37%, 32%, 12%, 13%, 6%. Okay, these are called the what?
These are the
Experimental probabilities. Okay, I'm going to put my theoretical right next to them. Theoretical was supposed to be 45%, 25%, 15%, 10%, and 5%. Were we close? Maybe.
kind of.
32 is off by a ways. 37 was off by a ways.
What would you classify as American food?
That's what we were just saying.
Hamburgers,
Hamburgers,
hot
hot dogs, that type of thing.
McDonald's.
I was
McDonald's.
actually surprised, Asian food isn't on there.
I know.
Asian food is pretty
Really?
good.
Yeah.
Oh, that's probably ethnic.
Or like
Ethnic
Chinese.
is probably Asian
But it's
food.
only one, bro.
I know.
Ain't no way people don't like
5%. I don't know.
Sesame chicken.
I don't know. Or like Chinese food.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Yeah, Asian.
There should be a category. Anyway. All right, so there's that. Happy with that? Go to the other side 3 and let's get our categories marked out here. Okay? Woo! All right, categories here. A. Look up in the paragraph. What percent of the time are we getting A's in this class?
100%.
Nope, 80%. 80% according to this up here. What percent of the time is a B? 15% B's and C's are
5%.
5%. Okay, so
I think we should switch those numbers around. Make the 5% behave.
I know, right? Okay, so we divide by 5. Reese says, what's 80 divided by 5?
15.
14.
Nope. 16. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So those are my weights. Those are like how weighted the categories are, right?
So
Yeah?
1 through 16.
Okay, now here's my question though, okay? Just wait a second. Before we move on, I had a couple of people yesterday say, like, okay, can we just get a spinner that, don't write this down. Can we just get a spinner that has 3 equal sections and spin it to see whether we're getting an A, a B, or a C? Why not?
Because then it'd be unequal.
Right? Like, this is assuming that they all occur with equal frequency. Are we getting C's the same number of times as we're getting A's? No, A's are happening more often, right? So we can't do it that way. We've got to get rid of that idea, and that's why we do the random number generator. We weight A's has more categories, right? So we could do 1 through, let's see, 16.
Yeah.
17, 18s, and 19s go with a B, and 20s go with a C.
Switch the number.
Or
1, 2, 3,
Or we could go 1s as C's, 2s, 3s, 4s as B's, and then 5 through 20 as A's, right? Okay? Because it's easier to count that way, right? Probably? Maybe? I think you maybe can handle it, Riley.
Can I count this time?
Yeah, let her.
You
should let me count.
No!
No, he was horrible.
Let me count.
Josie, you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, and others.
But who do you only buy if you aren't serious?
Back in the class tonight, not you.
If they are.
Do it
I
now.
don't want to get in trouble because of your weirdness.
All right.
Person.
So what are we doing then?
We still want to go 1 through 20, and we're going 100 numbers, rerun. Here is our results. Let me get them all on the screen for you before you go. There you go. All right, counting ones first.
1,
2,
3,
4,
Oh man, you missed one.
5,
I didn't.
6, 7, 8, 9.
I think 9 is all. 9 here. 9. There we go.
It's not as
Okay. All right, now we're doing 2s and 3s and 4s. Can you handle it? Are we gonna okay? All right, 2s, 3s, 4s. Here we go. 1.
No.
2,
There's no 2.
Holy cow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. That's it. Holy cow. Okay, and then the other one?
79.
12 and 9 is 21, so 79. Okay, those are our percentages.
That's pretty good.
That's not too bad. Okay, so 79% versus 12% versus 9%. Those are called the what again? Experimental. If I do my theoretical right next to it, this should be 80% and 15% and 5%. Pretty close, okay? But that just goes to show you your simulation might not be exactly the same as what your theoretical should be, right? Okay? And that's, just the way that it works, okay? But these 3 categories, we can't just weigh them evenly. That's why we do the random numbers, right? Okay? Happy with that? If you are not done with 1 and 2 on each side, finish those up really quick, and then you can just pass them in and make me a pile, okay?
It was from.
Do that really quick. Goodbye, people on this video.
First